Would I be the a-hole if I don't change my son's name even though it may cause him to lose an inheritance? I, 24, got pregnant during my gap year traveling. I met a guy, I was 19, he was 23. We had fun, and I worked in a bar while exploring his city. When I got pregnant, he quickly lost interest. I chose not to terminate and went home to have my son. I made sure to get child support, though he fought it, and I had to prove paternity. Through that, his parents found out. They're well off and seem to love my son. They've given gifts for his birthday and Christmas, helped with extra money for university, and even took us on vacation to spend time with him. We're cordial, though they aren't my biggest fans. 3 months ago, my son's father passed away. He got drunk at his bachelor party, tripped, hit his head, and that was it. My son and I attended the funeral. We spent a week in that city so his grandparents could see him. They approached me with an offer. They had no other children or grandchildren. Their son was only 28, so he had lots of time to provide them legitimate kids. They did not say this, I'm just assuming. So they never thought about my son's name. They said if I legally changed his surname to theirs, they'd make him their primary heir. I think it's dumb. He's their only grandchild, and they'd deny him an inheritance over a last name. I said I'd consider it to be polite and left it at that. My life is pretty good. My family's been supportive, and due to the court case, my son's father had life insurance with him as the beneficiary. Would it be nice for my kid to get a big sum of money? Yes. Do I want him to have the surname of a man who didn't want him, see him, or love him? No.